Hello, this is John. I need to speak with the road inspector, please.
This is the road inspector speaking. How can I assist you?
I wanted to inform you that there is significant damage on the road near Pine Street. It's becoming a safety hazard for drivers.
Thank you for bringing it to my attention, John. I'll immediately dispatch a team to assess the situation. In the meantime, I'll also arrange for a bulldozer to start repairing the road as soon as possible.
Thank you, Road Inspector. Have a productive day.
You're welcome, John. Have a great day too.